No, don't do that. It's a church. It's a little church right there. Little tiny island off Lefkada. It's Nidri again. A nice one. Takes you everywhere, yeah. This bloke here owned that island with a house on it. He married Jackie Onassis, Jackie Kennedy. And that little island is all the way up down there. That's the island. These boats, you can hire these and ride them yourself. Alright, we're going on this thing. Where do you pay for tickets? Well, probably on the ferry, yeah. Oh, everyone's waiting. Off to Meganisi for the day on a cruise ship. A little 25-minute ride. Let's do it.
Off we go in this mega ship. Widescreen.
Γεια σας, δύο άτομα. Ευχαριστώ. Yeah, you're right.
Yikes. Oh. Little boats. Massive boat. More people coming on. Cars can come on. So another 20 minutes till we take off. And it is getting full.
nice. Off the Meganisi.
Day for it.
It is a day for it. This cruise ship alone is packed.
Oh yeah, upstairs and downstairs.
I mean, this is another island, right? That's just got houses on it.
I don't know which one that is.
So they obviously have boats to take them
Yeah, there's little boats.
to Lefkada, really.
Little boats there. They're there, more boats. Well, that's taking you to a beach.
Wow.
Stunning. Need a pair of binoculars.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go and have a look downstairs.
No, don't do that. Scare the shit out of me. I reckon that might be Meganisi all the way down there. Alright, that little island, Scorpios Island, is that one right there. Abu Dhabi, you know me? Ah.
Come here.
Wow. It's terrifying. See?
No rules, nothing. All these cars are going back.
Oh wow.
I know.
Hey?
Convoy of people.
That's insane.
That car.
Oh, what is that? That's hilarious. Yeah, nice. Hmm? Yeah, it is. I get it though, it's nice here. Look at those hammocks in the water.
That's my style.
How cool is that? Spilia. Yeah, might have to get octi and some chips.
Pickled octopus.
Pickled oct.
I'm gonna die right here. Come back alive. No. I thought all the other octopus that we've had was good.
Right, heading back to Lefkada. And we're sweating.
Just woke up from a nap on the beach.
It's good. It's great. Peace. Got the pilots over here.
Got a nice hike.
It's a church. It's a little church right there. Wow. Bloody hell, it's windy.
Ready?
Let's go, honey.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Fresh fish.
Yeah.
So they caught it.
Yeah, bringing it back.
Yeah. Let's go. Bravo, eh? Bravo. Exactly.
Whew. What a day that was. Bloody hell.
Little adventure. Spontaneous adventure.
Very spontaneous.
Half awake and then we were like, oh, let's go on the ferry.
Now back in
Let's go to
Nidri,
the island.
I don't mind going home and having a bloody snooze. That's what I want. That's what I need.
Then back out again.
Yeah.
My phone just went beep. What does it say?
Shit. Dangerous weather conditions in your area until afternoon hours.
Looks like you guys are gonna get trapped in the rain. Uh-oh, you better start hiding.